Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, came to the lesson a scene from Shakuntala, the main character of this lesson. In the pre-reading activity, the king Dushyanta, Shakuntala, sage Kanva and sage Durvasa. And in the play, the chief of the policemen, two policemen and a fisherman. So, what was happened in this play? To know this one, first of all, we came to the background of this play. So one day, King Dushyanta went hunting. He went on through a forest. He approached the ashrama where a sage called Kanva lived. The sage had adopted Shakuntala and brought up her as his own daughter. She was very beautiful. As soon as the king saw her, he fell in love with her and they married in the forest according to the Gandharva system of marriage. Dushyanta had to leave the forest and return to the city, so that he presented a ring before departing, saying it would save her from trouble. So in this way, Dushyanta came back to the city. So one day, say Durvasa came to the ashrama. Shakuntala could not greet and receive him. Why? Because as she was lost in the spell of love of Dushyanta. The sage became so upset and he cursed her. Durvasa became very upset and cursed to Shakuntala. Due to the curse, Dushyanta could not acknowledge that Shakuntala was his wife. So, how the power of curse was dispelled and Dushyanta got back his memory of his marriage with Shakuntala. To know all this, let us come to the play. So, in the first scene, in the street before the palace. So, the chief of the policemen, two policemen and a man with his hands bounded behind his back, that is the fisherman. So, two policemen striking the man. Now, pickpocket, let us, where you have found this ring? This is the king's ring with letters engraved on it and it has a magnificent gem. The fisherman replied, Fisherman, be merciful, kind gentleman, I am not guilty of such a crime. First policeman said, No, I suppose the king thought you were a pious Brahmin and made you a present of it. Fisherman, please, I am a fisherman and I live on the Ganges at the spot where Indra came down. Second policeman, you thief! We did not ask of your address or your social position. Chief say, let us tell him a straight story to the king. Satyuka, don't interpret. The two policemen, they obey to the chief and say, Yes, chief, and say to the fisherman, Continue, man. Fisherman said, I support my family with things we catch with fish net, you know. Chief, laughing, you have a sweet trade. Chief said to the fisherman, You have a sweet trade. Fisherman, don't say that, master. You cannot give up a trade of your ancestors. A butcher butchers animals and yet he is a tender hearted. So the chief said to the fisherman, Go on, go on. Fisherman said, Well, I was cutting up a carp. In its belly, I saw this ring with the magnificent gem, and then I was just trying to sell it here when you kind gentleman gabbed me. That is the truth. Now, find fault with me and punish me. The chief said, He smelled the ring and said, "There is no doubt about it, Januka. It has been a fish belly. It has a real smell of raw meat. Now we have to find out how he got it. We must go to the palace." The two policemen said to the fisherman, move on, pickpocket, move on." Then chief said, "Suchaka, wait here at the big gate until I came out of the palace and don't run away." The two policemen, "Go in, chief. I hope the king will nice to you." Then the chief say goodbye and he go to the palace to the king. And one of the policemen, that is the Suchaka, he said to Januka, "Januka, the chief is taking his time. Januka, you cannot just drop in on a king." Suchaka, "Januka, my fingers are itching to kill these pickpockets." And he pointing to the fisherman. He said, "My fingers are itching to kill this pickpocket." Fisherman said to both the policemen, "Don't kill a man without any reason, masters." Januka, looking towards the gate, he said, "Oh, there is a chief with a written order from the king." And the chief entered. Chief said, "Quick, quick." Fisherman, oh, what about me?" The fisherman said, oh, what about me?" Chief said, release him, the fellow. It is all right. He got the ring. Our king told me so himself." Suchaka, "All right, chief, this man has came back to life." He releases the fisherman. Then the fisherman, bowing low to the chief and say, "Master, I owe you my life." He falls at his feet. He obliged to the chief. And the chief said to the fisherman, get up. Here is a reward that the king was kind enough to give you. It is worth as much as the ring. Take it." And then he hand over a bracelet to the fisherman in the place of ring. The fisherman eagerly taking that ring, and he was much obliged to the king and the chief of the policemen, Januka. He is a much obliged to the king. Then Suchaka said, "Chief, the reward shows that the king thought a lot about the ring. The gem must be worth something." Then chief of the policemen said, "No, it was the fine gem that pleased the king. It was this way." Then he say all the story about that ring to both the policemen as well as the fishermen. The two policemen said, when the king saw it, he remembered somebody he loves. You know how magnified the usually is. But as soon as he saw it, he broke down for a moment. Suchaka, you have done the king a good turn, chief. Januka said, all for the sake of this fisherman. It seems to me he looks earnestly to the fisherman. Then the fisherman said, take half of it, masters, to pay for something to drink. He offered a drink to the policemen as well as the chief of the policemen. One of the policemen, Januka, said, fisherman, you are the biggest and best friend I have got. The first thing we want is something to drink. Let us go where they sell it. In this way, the play was exist. The curtain fall down. So, as it's a brief summary in Urdu. So, एक मर्तबा का जिक्र है कि किंग दुष्यंता शिकार के लिए गए हुए थे, तो वहाँ पर उनकी मुलाकात बहुत ही खूबसूरत लेडी शकुंतला से हो जाती है। तो शकुंतला के प्यार में खो जाते हैं और दोनों की शादी हो जाती है। लेकिन दुष्यंता को रिटर्न अपने महल वापस आना था, सिटी आना था। तो आते जब एक प्यार की निशानी के तौर पर एक रिंग दे देते हैं। उसी अस्थना में सेज दुर्वासा वहाँ पर आते हैं, लेकिन शकुंतला जो कि किंग दुष्यंता के प्यार में खोई हुई थी, किंग सेज दुर्वासा को इस्तकबाल या वेलकम नहीं करती, जिसकी वजह से वो उन्हें बद्दुआ देते हैं। उस बद्दुआ के असर किंग दुष्यंता शकुंतला को भूल जाते हैं। तो अब यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि एक फिशरमैन है जो कि फिश को सेल कर रहा है। तो जस्ट वो एक कार्प को, एक फ़िश को यहाँ पे कट किया है। उस फिश की जो बेली में जो है उसको एक रिंग मिल जाती है। जस्ट वो रिंग यहाँ पे सेल कर रहा था कि 2 पुलिसमैन आते हैं। वो सोचते हैं कि इतनी मैग्निफिशेंट जेम लगी हुई ये रिंग है, तो ये फिशरमैन जो है चोर है, उसको पकड़ते हैं और उससे इंक्वायरी शुरू कर देते हैं। उसी अवस्था में चीफ ऑफ द पुलिसमैन भी वहाँ पर आ जाते हैं। तो चीफ ऑफ द पुलिसमैन पूरी कहानी फिशरमैन से वहाँ पे सुनते हैं, जो अब हम इस लेसन में पढ़े हैं। फिर उसके बाद वो रिंग की स्मेल देखते हैं, तो उसमें वो जो है यहाँ पे कच्चे गोश्त की आ रही थी। तो मान लेते हैं कि फिशरमैन जो कह रहा था वो सही कह रहा था। फिर उस रिंग को लेकर वो बादशाह के पास चले जाते हैं। तो बादशाह जैसे ही उस रिंग को देखता है तो उसको शकुंतला और अपनी शादी के बारे में याददाश्त उसकी वापस चली आ जाती है। तो ये सीन यहाँ पर क्या था, सीन फ्रॉम शकुंतला था। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्ले। ओके, goodbye.